I was a nuke in the Navy for 10 years, and then I used the career skills program. Now I work over at the research reactor for MU. I was looking through all the skill bridges and I found the career skills program. So then I reached out to Don and they helped me get an internship with the university. When I was on my way over here from California, Reactor reached out to me see if I needed help finding a place to live, sent me some job fair emails. I was kind of the first one at the research reactor, so they weren't really sure how the program worked, so I would ask them some questions, like if they had questions for me, try to give them as much information as possible. They're pretty helpful. They gave me a lot of really useful information, helped me set up my MoJobs account. They reach out and assist you with contacting employers to find opportunities. Reach out. There's a lot of helpful people here, really knowledgeable people, so hopefully, I think it worked out pretty well for me. I think it would probably work out well for other people that want to try it.